Welcome, in front of me I have Canon EOS M10, and today I'll show you how we can adjust the custom functions of this device. So first we have to go for the menu and then go right here for the orange settings. And as you can see here, we can find the custom functions of the autofocus. So let's click set to enter. And as you can see here, we got the AF assist beam LED viewing. We can enable or disable this feature. When you go below, we can find the others. So in the others, we got the retract lens on power off. The same, we can tap set and then choose one of the option. When you go forward, we can find the AF or AL. So there's the shutter and AL lock, and of course we can change it with lock or without. And the last one, it's here the relay shutter without lens, so we can enable or disable. Let's disable, for example, then just go back, and as you can see here we can also really fast clear all custom functions by clicking OK. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.